This thing is on.
42? Okay.
Huh?
Hi guys.
Look, go show the monster truck. Oh yeah, I do.
Yeah, me too.
Look, you're filming.
Yeah, I'm filming.
Look, film the truck. Yeah. Come on, Will. This kid over here.
Daddy, I want to hold it.
Can't hold it, gonna be riding.
It looks like they're gonna. It looks like the back tire is gonna hit that.
Oh, super exciting.
Seatbelt, please. Over there.
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, shit. Hold on. Oh, man. That thing. Oh. There's the stomach. Because this is not a real one. Oh, and then they're even wet in it. Oh yeah, so it doesn't like flip over or nothing, you know.
Oh my gosh, I want to do that again. That's so cool.
Oh, it's cool, huh?
Yeah. Get out of the way.
Hi, sweetheart. Can I try this for you?
Why is this guy not out there riding people?
Cost.
Oh, gotcha. Cool though.
I bet this is one of the ones that people would ride.
Yeah. We give a lot better ride. Cost a lot more money. We take you over jumps and stuff.
Damn, go over there. Yeah, little kid. Huge truck.
Caution!
There's caution tape? That means you can't go over there? Oh. Oh.
Why did they caution it?
Hey, what's going on, man?
How are you?
Good.
Excited? Yeah, good. Gonna drive a monster truck when you get bigger? Yeah? Perfect. Have fun.
Thanks. Look at this guy.
How are you?
Oh, hold on, I gotta wait for the people. Dang, this is crazy. Oh, Tom, thank you. You're welcome. There you go, you having fun? Pretty exciting, huh? Oh. Don't say nothing, be quiet. Alright.
This is the song you listen to.
Huh?
This is the song that you listen to.
I do like this song.
Yeah, everything you listen to.
Alright, we're gonna go up the slide. Are you singing?
Yeah. I like the. I like a lot.
You like a lot of songs? Here. Okay, take your shoes off. Go again.
That's next to a street. They're not leaving. I go one more time.
Okay.
And what we have to do, Pueblo, is
Oh, I
we
hear
have to count it down.
Well,
all
you
the way
ready?
from 10 to 1.
Yeah,
We're
I
gonna
hear
start
'em
these
too.
trucks because they're still
Like,
parked
I
back there from
hear
pit
'em
loading.
back there.
So what we're going to do,
No,
like
not
I
yet,
said,
you
is a
don't.
little countdown. So I need
Well, I hear a
your
motor. I
help
think that's
to
just
this
the-
day.
You won't hear a
So,
motor
Pueblo,
yet,
Colorado,
dude. You'll hear
Are
him.
you ready?
Yeah!
I don't think my drivers can hear you guys. You have got to get way louder than that. Let's
Yeah, you
try it
ready?
again. Pueblo, Colorado, are you ready? Well, let's count it down.
3, 2, 1.
Start your engines. I hear those massive monster trucks fired up.
Yeah, you can
They're
feel
gonna
it,
start
like,
making
Lucas,
their
I
way
felt
down
that
here to the
too.
track.
Oh, man,
Also
kid.
has one in her hand, as well as her other truck official.
Ben,
located
is this
behind
one yours or
with our trucks right
is it
now.
mine?
What these little walkie-talkies here?
Like,
Look.
Get the truck! That's that one guy.
You see it?
Okay.
These trucks are each going to get parked down here in the front stretch. Down here with our lovely track official.
You see how they sound different?
Signals today
Yeah, they're
between
deep.
our track officials and our drivers. That is because these trucks are extremely loud and hard to talk to them. Most of them do have a communication system with us in our headsets. However, it's best we found to just use hand signals. Now, we're going to
The other ones are, or I think it's the same guy.
There's the signal.
Yeah,
Wave your
there's-
hands. Now, what you
I've
can do is use
seen
this little
where I think
RII
it's the
radio.
same guy. I don't know.
There-
That's that guy. When they get in the air. Airman's loud because then the turbocharge goes on.
Like, you know, that thing's making some big power, dude. That thing is... Keep going. Jesus. You ready? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's
Gotta use this now.
Checking his last minute stuff there. He's seatbelt. Gonna make his way in. Here we go. Checking that speed one last time. Wants to make this stars up to snuff. He's gonna make his way down the front stretch one more time. From Colorado, I want to.
Man, you hear that power?
That's it. It's gonna be on this time by. That's
Watch it. Look,
last
look.
parade lap. He's
He's gonna do it. Whatever he's gonna do.
He's gonna smash his first.
Did you see it? Oh, he probably killed it.
Lucas! Lucas, look! Way back in the corner! Lucas!
Ready to go. Oh. So how you gonna wear it?
Or the Mustang that sounded the best. Yeah. Because those, you can tell they just like sounded different than the other ones. They're like...
Keep vlogging. Look, what was your favorite part?
The monster trucks.
When they were racing? Were they loud? What'd you get? Oh, I got cotton candy, got a pop, all kinds of stuff.